making talking teeth. Is it talking? Trying to. I'm just doing some testing here. Testing. What I want to do is make a track for this. But I'm just testing now. It's working on that side. I don't know if it's working on all sides. Depends on just so I know where I was at. They ask me why I'm doing this. It all makes sense now. Okay, so I'm going to cut out those areas. Let's see how that looks. Chickies are out. Chickies are out. I'm not sure if this one's sharp or not. Should be. Chicky. No, you don't get those. I've been told you eat those. Stop it. I just was showing you on the camera. No, you can't have those. You eat them. They eat the little dots. I don't know why. Okay, you can go now. Goodbye. See you later. They eat these little dots on these. Look at them. These. I don't know why they eat them, but they do. So we have to keep them away from them. Ow, you got sharp nails down there, little buddy. I did it. I know, cutting a circle's not that big of a deal, is it? But this is what we're doing. Okay. Is that gonna work? I don't know if it's gonna work. Maybe it's not gonna work. Maybe I need to make a track. I can do that. I've got clay. I could make a track. What am I doing? What I want to do, I want to put this on here, and I want to be able to spin it like it does in the microwave, so I can put paint on it. Okay, so what am I doing? I don't have the thing right there. That's what I'm doing wrong. God dang it. I have that though. Hi, Chicky Chick. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, so this will be a project. I have to find this part here. I gotta find this part here. I don't need you in my face, Chicky Chick. There you go. Chicken. Chicken on over there.
Having chicken for dinner?
Chicken for dinner. I had chicken for dinner last night. Wasn't you? You don't make good chicken sometimes. Are you having fun up there? You stay away from my little thingies over here. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Look what I got. Here, look. Ooh, I get you. Chickens, you gotta be careful, because their underneath are very easy to fall in the brush. Come here. Hey. Somebody's been pecking on you, I see. Your face is awfully red. If they picking on you, I'm gonna have to have my daughter look at it. Alright, so we'll play with this some more. I have that thing. So what we wanted to do is I wanted to spin. We'll put that on there. And let's see. Do you want to use that? Let's not use that one. Let's find a different thing. Okay, so what I wanted to do, you can probably guess what I want to do. I wanted to spin. We'll use this one. so that I can do the spiral drops. I'm gonna make alcohol ink, and I want to do the spirals. So we'll have to work on that. What we'll do is work on this. What are you doing, chickens? What are you doing? I don't know what to tell you.